In this video, I'm going to walk through how to change the pivot table summary calculation in Excel. I'm using Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. In this example, we have a pivot table that shows the amount of sales for each of the categories, accessories, home, etc. The totals on this pivot table are in sales dollars or whatever currency is being used. We can tell that the sum is being presented by looking in the values box in the pivot table fields panel. There we see the sum of sale price. Now we are going to walk through how to change that sum to be the count or number of sales. The same process can be used to change it to the average. First, click the drop-down arrow to the right of sum of sale price in the values box in the pivot table fields panel. In the box that pops up after clicking next to the sum of sale price, click on Value Field Settings. Select Count in the next dialog box that appears. Note that you could also select Average, Max, or Min. Now we see that the pivot table displays the count or number of sales rather than the dollar amount of those sales. That's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz and is part of the Excel Skill Builder video series. See accountingnewsanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.